this afternoon. It's me, Casey again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here in my channel, please consider to join the family, which is the Harrison in UK. So today guys, I decided to organize my makeup because they've been all over the place because I've been very lazy and they need tender loving care. So come and join me to organize my makeup. So you can see I got this one. It's really handy in it. You put your makeup, then you just so guys, I got some makeup which is Korean brands and I love them. As you know, I love Korean food. I love Korean actor. Oh my god, Korean actor. I think that's why I feel like I want to be like Korean. So I got some stuff like Korean cosmetics, like this one. It's a lip tint, Laneige. What's this? Laneige. I don't know how you pronounce it. And I got this one as well. And I got this one as well. And got this one as well. And what else Korean I have? I have this one, which is Glow Recipe, but it's almost finished now, so I'm back to Lancome now. And also, I think I have I couldn't find it, as I said, it's all over the place, my makeup. I have their cream as well. Oh yeah, before I forgot, I got this one, which is their Korean overnight mask, which is, no, it's a glow sleeping mask. That's it. So if you can see, this is all lipstick, mostly on lipstick. So from Pico, and from Gosh, Dior, MAC, Charlotte Tilbury. Another Charlotte Tilbury, MAC, Anastasia, Tom Ford, NARS. I like to buy small lipstick in a bundle because obviously you don't always use the lips. You cannot finish the whole lipstick that you got. The big lipstick like this one. It's been I don't know, you can't even finish it, so I tried to get the small one so I can try a lot of shades instead of getting one big one. If you got this, I got this for in one pack, it's in a bundle, so that's really good thing. Which is lip tint. They're both lip tint or lip varnish. I love them. I just saw this. Funny. I bought this from Clarice because it's so cute. Look how lovely is that. Oh, I bought it just because of that. It's blinking in it. I use it once in a while. So that's it. That's the color of it. So this is my favorite one. So cool. This is for natural looking thing. You see, if you see me, I love keeping boxes. I think I should stop doing that, hoarding boxes. I don't know why. So it takes a lot of space on my thing. All my palettes here. Some of them I didn't put it anymore. They're in the box. And also the brushes is in there. And this one, I use this for... This one, I always use this for my facial when I put the serum. First row, I got Benefit for the brow. I got fake lashes, oh no, false lashes. I got my contact lens. This is Korean thing. And I got my Lancome there. This is the second drawer. Second drawer, I got mostly my mascara. This is the other one. This is mostly mix up it. So I got Benefit, Decluttering, which is my favorite. Here are my hair care. This is my favorite one. It's kind of taste, almost finished. Mostly here are my hair care and skin care. Hi guys, so this is how I organize my makeup. I put my lipstick in here. At the top of it, I got the primer, I got foundation, I got liquid blush on from Suku, my favorite one. Those are foundation. I got bench. This is for my daily use when I'm inside the house. Got another primer there. Here I got the Glow Recipe, which is almost finished. I'm gonna show it soon. Got another perfume here. I got Suku thing here. And this is my perfume. So I got Jo Malone, Dio, Chanel No. 5, Dio, Chanel, Body Mist, Armani Code. I got Lancome. This one, I got some brushes there as well. And I got this one. This is for the eyes. And this is for my lips before I go to bed. To keep it hydrated. To throw this because I was not using them. I was meant to throw this away for ages, but I always forget it. It was a present from my mother-in-law, but I was not using it because it's been there ages and it's not been used that much. But obviously when the makeup is you know, like ages, or I think they have expiration, so you have to throw them. It's I'll admit I'm keeping this makeup due to it's like so cute when you're doing it with the camera. Look at that. god, I'm finished organizing my makeup now. So while I'm organizing my makeup earlier, I received this parcel from I think Look Fantastic. It's when you it's your first time to order with them, I think you get 10% discount if I'm not mistaken. So I ordered this one. So this is what I've ordered. It's Lancome. Lancome is Renergy Multi. I got Inglot. This one, I saw mommy using this and she gave me a good review about this. So see how it is because it's my first time to use it. And I got Sigma brush, liner brush. It says E06. I've heard a lot of good review and a lot of people using this. So I'm gonna give it a go. And also, I got MAC for my brows, you know. Kayla is life. Brow is life. So it got this one. And the brush. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell for the new upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye!